Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Ottocast Mini Nova, a tiny adapter that fixes one very annoying car problem of plugging your phone in every time you drive. This device turns existing wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto into a wireless experience. So if your car already has wired CarPlay or Android Auto, the Mini Nova lets your phone automatically connect when you start the car. In this review, I'll cover what you get in the box, setup, key features, real-world performance, including connection speed, navigation, music, calls, device switching, and daily reliability. Because with wireless adapters, the real-world question isn't just, does it work? It's, does it work every time? Inside the box, Ottocast keeps it clean. You get the Mini Nova adapter, a USB-A to USB-C plug adapter, and the user manual. No cables, no power bricks, and no separate modules to hide in the car. The Mini Nova is seriously small, measuring in at 21 by 9 by 33 millimeters and weighing in at just 5.9 grams. So this is much closer to a tiny USB dongle than a traditional CarPlay box. This version uses a USB-A plug. If your car's wired CarPlay or Android Auto is USB-A, it's a straightforward plug-in. If your car uses USB-C, the included adapter works, but it sticks out a little bit further. So check the space around your console or the dashboard USB port. Spec-wise, Ottocast lists Bluetooth 4.2, a silver finish, no smart button, and support for over-the-air firmware updates. Compatibility is the point. This does not add CarPlay or Android Auto to a car that doesn't already have it. Ottocast says it's for 2016 or newer vehicles with factory wired CarPlay or factory wired Android Auto. For phone compatibility, Ottocast lists iPhone support for iOS 10 and above. Android supports from Android 11 and above, plus selected Samsung and Google phones from Android 9. There are a few caveats. Ottocast says it's not compatible with Sony aftermarket head units. Also, Mitsubishi owners are told to contact Ottocast before ordering. If your car already has a factory wireless CarPlay, including some BMW models, Ottocast points you towards a different product. The first feature is the big one. The Mini Nova turns a factory-wired CarPlay or factory-wired Android Auto into a wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. This means your maps, music, calls, messages, and voice control still appear on the car screen, but your phone stays in your pocket, bag, center console, or wireless charger tray. For short trips, school runs, errands, and daily commutes, this is a real winner. Less cables, less mess, less fiddling, and a cleaner cabin. Next is auto connection. Ottocast says that the Mini Nova remembers your device and reconnects automatically whenever you start the car. This is the feature that matters most in daily use. The ideal experience is simple. Start the car, wait a few seconds, CarPlay or Android Auto appears without touching the phone. Third is the compact, secure fit. Ottocast describes the Mini Nova as a small, space-saving and designed to stay firmly in place. That matters because your USB ports are often in awkward spots, besides cup holders, near the gear selector, or inside a tight center console. A small adapter is less likely to get knocked or block nearby storage. Fourth is plug and drive setup. Ottocast says that no app and no complicated setup process. We'll be testing that later in the video. You plug into the same USB data port used for wired CarPlay or Android Auto. Pair once and then it runs quietly in the background from then on. Fifth is the clean metal design. Ottocast described this as textured aluminium construction with a sturdy feel and a design that fits into a cabin without looking like a cheap plastic dongle. Design is always subjective, but for me this looks and feels like a premium device that blends into its surroundings. 6 is FOTA updates. That means firmware update over air. This matters because iOS and Android CarPlay and Android Auto all change over time. Firmware updates give Ottocast a way to push bug fixes, improvements, compatibility updates without replacing the device. The Mini Nova also keeps your factory controls. Ottocast says knobs, buttons, touchpads, touchscreens, and steering wheel controls continue to work, so the adapter is not replacing your car's interface, it's simply removing the cables. There is also 2 phone memory. Ottocast says it can remember 2 phones and connect to the one that you bring, whether it's your phone, your partner's phone, or a work phone. So we're going to be installing the Ottocast Mini Nova into this Hyundai i30. My car's actually already got wireless CarPlay inside of it, so it can't be installed into that one. So I'll be installing this one. This already has Apple CarPlay, but it's a wired version, so we're going to be installing this one to turn it into a wireless version. This is the USB port where we plug into. We're going to plug in the Nova into this location. You should see a red light when it starts up. This is an iPhone 17 Pro Max. We go to the Bluetooth settings, we scroll up until we see Car 2 followed by D9F2. Select. Comes up with a pairing code. Now we press pair and allow, and followed by connect, followed by continue. Now let's test it out. We'll go into YouTube Music, select some music, and press play. Bit of Phil Collins there for people. Let's go back to home. Let's change the background. Change the wallpaper. Select a different wallpaper and set. As you can see, it's very fluid and it responds very well. Bit of ChatGPT. Hi Genie, how are you?
I'm here, ready to go. What's on your mind today?
Press end on ChatGPT. Let's go over to Maps and move back out. Overall, the Ottocast Mini Nova is a tidy little upgrade for the right car. It has one clear job: to take factory wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto and make it wireless. It's not trying to be a full Android box or infotainment replacement, and that simplicity is one of its greatest strengths. The highlights are the compact design, clean metal finish, plug and drive setup, auto reconnection, factory control support, 2-phone memory, and firmware over-the-air updates. In daily use, that means less cables, less fiddling, and a cleaner start every time you drive. The ideal buyer is someone with a 2016 or newer vehicle that already has factory wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto. It also makes sense for shared cars, especially where one driver uses an iPhone and the other uses Android. Just check compatibility first. It will not add CarPlay or Android Auto to your car that does not already have it. And Ottocast lists some exclusions, including Sony aftermarket head units and certain Mitsubishi or BMW scenarios. But for most drivers who just want wireless CarPlay or Android Auto without replacing the head unit, the Mini Nova gets the brief right. Small, simple, clean, and genuinely useful. Links in the description to a discounted price if you want to pick one up. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then hit that like button, comment and share. And if you want to have access to similar material, then subscribe or maybe become a channel member and get early access to material plus other perks. And if you want to join other like-minded people, then why not join the Discord channel, where smart home enthusiasts love to solve each other's issues. And if I've helped you with a purchasing decision, then maybe a super thanks or a PayPal donation. It's really appreciated. Until the next one.